Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the business analyst expert. In today's video, we're going to talk about two options to get visa sponsorship from an IT company after graduation. As an international student, getting a job after graduation can be a big challenge, so you want to make sure that you pick an option that will give you the best chance to land a job with visa sponsorship. So, in this video, we're going to go over two options with the pros and cons of these options. The first option is to join an IT consulting company that offers free training and placement. There are few IT consulting companies that offer free training and placement after graduation. Some of them even offer free food and free housing. And when you complete the training, they market your resume to their clients and get a percentage of your salary when you land a job. It's pretty much a win-win situation. You get the free training and free housing, and they get a percentage of your salary. So what are the pros of this option? This is a good option for those who are having trouble financially. Most students after graduation run out of money, especially the ones that were on a scholarship and were not able to save money while studying, which is a big mistake because you want to make sure you save enough money while in school so you can survive the job hunting period. We place a link in the description below of ways to make money while studying. Now let's talk about the disadvantages of this option. One of the big disadvantages of this option is that placement is very competitive. These types of companies usually have a lot of students because of the free training, and all the students go over the same exact training. And when a new position opens, all the students compete for the same position. That is a reason why some students spend months on the bench before to finally get a job. The second disadvantage is that they get a high percentage of your salary. There is a reason why they offer free training and placement. It is a numbered game. They know that a good percentage of the students will get jobs after the training, and they will make their money back on successful job placements. Some companies will use a fixed rate while others will use percentages. For example, for fixed rate, they will pay you a salary of $50,000 a year, but they will get you a job that pays almost the double of your salary, and that's how they make their money back. Again, you should not complain because you are getting free training, placement, and then visa sponsorship. The companies that use percentage instead of fixed rate usually set their rate to 80-20, meaning they get 20% of your salary. So if you get a job that pays $100K, they will get $20K, and you will get $80K. This is a more reasonable option, but most companies that offer this option does not offer the free training. The second option to get visa sponsorship after graduation is to enroll into a paid training program and have multiple companies market your resume. When picking this option, you pay for a training with your own money, and when you complete the training, you write your resume and have it posted on career websites. Multiple IT companies will then reach out to you and they will market your resume to their client. You will then sign the contract with the first company that gets you the job. Just make sure you specify on your resume that you're looking for visa sponsorship so that they are aware of that before reaching out to you. You can also get a list of IT companies that offer visa sponsorships and reach out to them directly. So, what are the pros of this option? This option gives you more job opportunities because you are not stuck with one company. Working with multiple companies increases your chance of getting a job. This option also gives you more power when it comes to negotiating your salary. Companies that offer free training and placement usually have you sign a contract before you start the training, and the contract already covers the salary you will be getting. But when you pay for your own training, you can negotiate the rate with the company that you get a job. This option also gives you less competition. Don't get me wrong, all IT jobs are competitive, but at least you won't be competing on the same jobs with people that did the same training as you. Now let's go over the disadvantages of this option. The first disadvantage of this option is the fact that the training is not free. You have to pay for the training with your own money, and some training can be expensive. This can be a deal breaker for people struggling financially. But keep in mind, investing on your education is always a good investment. Another disadvantage is that you might end up working with a company that takes advantage of you. Some companies will use your services but won't file for your work visa. This can happen in both options actually, so always make sure you do your research on the company before you start working with them. Another option that is not very ethical is to take advantage of free training and placement, and then when you complete the training, have other companies market your resume. I wouldn't recommend this option, especially if you believe in karma, but a lot of people do that as well. So guys, these are the options I recommend if you are looking for visa sponsorship by an IT company after graduation. I personally believe the second option, paying for your own training, is the best option. You just need to make sure you work with reputable companies and seek legal advice when it comes to contract negotiations. And if you are looking for paid training that can help you get visa sponsorship after graduation, you can sign up for our tutorial by clicking on the link in the description below. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.